Hello, everyone. It's Renee, your personal color therapist, reporting live from a closet that looks like a rainbow exploded. Took a deep breath and decided to stay fabulous. Step into my color therapy wardrobe reveal, where beige takes a backseat and dopamine gets dressed in style. Today, we are banishing the safe neutrals and embracing fashion that's loud enough to have its own opinion. Let's talk prints. I'm wearing a top that could double as abstract art. There are florals and stripes. I bought it in a moment of joy and confusion. And these pants? Highlighter yellow and emotionally supportive. They said go big or go sit down. Now accessories. This necklace? It's less of a statement and more of a monologue. Earrings the size of small satellite dishes. Because if you can't hear your confidence calling, make sure everyone else can. Do I look like a walking rainbow? Yes. Do I feel like I could manifest a better mood? And maybe a small sponsorship deal? Also, yes, here's the deal. Dressing boldly isn't just fashion, it's free therapy. You're not just wearing clothes, you're announcing your main character arc. So, if you've been scared to mix patterns or wear a color not found in oatmeal, this is your sign. Wear the chartreuse, clash the prints, and be the joy. Color therapy, it's not chaos, it's confidence with a closet.